Hello students, this is V. Srinivas, working in SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. So today I am going to discuss about the subject is a operating system. A subtitle is Classical Interprocess Communication Problems. So the subtitle is taken by final year MPCS 5th semester. So 4th unit. So first of all we discussed the what is the classical interprocess communication. So the already previous class we discussed by the monitor and about the topic and the monitor and the use of the monitor, what is the communication between the monitor and the operating system. So monitor is the one of the way to the achieve process and the synchronization. The monitor is the supported by the programming. So how to support the programming, the execution of the program. So one program is completed execution, the after second program is start for the running. So this is the we have the one queue. So one by one the number of programs executed by very easily. So this process is called the monitor. So and the languages to achieve the mutual exclusion and the between the process, uh, it is the collection of the condition and the variables and the problems, the different types of and the process running outside of the monitors and cannot be accessed the internal variable monitor. So what can all the procedures of the monitor, only one process at a time of can be executed code inside monitors. So this is monitors is the syntax is there in the syntax and the monitor demo name of the monitor and the open brace and the variables. So and the next one the condition variables, in this condition variables and we observe the different types of the number of the process 1 and the process 2 close brace and the syntax monitors. So we discussed the classification of the inter-process communication problem. So the semaphores can be used in the other the classical the synchronization problems, and the beside the mutual exclusion, some of the classical problems and the depicting the flaws of the process as synchronization in the systems. So where the cooperation the process are present. In this classical, the problems of the synchronization, three types. They are the bounded buffer, the process consumer problem, and the reader writer problem, and the dining philosophers problem. So the first one, the first one is the one of the problem. Three types of problems are there. So in this, the first one bounded buffer, the procedures consumer problem, and this problem is the generalized in and the terms of the procedures and the consumer problem. So where a finite and the buffer pool is used to and the exchange messages between the processor and the consumer the processes, and because the buffer pool has a maximum size, and this problem is the often they called the bounded buffer problem. The solution to this problem is the creating two counting the semaphore is full and the empty to keep the track of the current number of full and empty and the buffer and the respective. Here we explain the one the diagram is there in this diagram, and the empty pool and the full pool. So in this pool the producer and the consumer, so the bounded buffer problem, and it is around by the empty pool and the consumer and the full pool and the producer. So it is the round circle is there. And the second one the problem is the reader writer and the problem. So in this problem there are the some the processes called readers, and that only read the shared data and never change it, and there are the other processes called writer and the who, why and change the data in addition to reading or the instead of the reading it. And there are the various type of and the readers writers problem, and the most centered on the relative and the priorities of and the readers and writers. So, and the readers writers the problem and the solution have been generalized to provide and the reader writer locks on the sum the system the acquiring a reader writer and the lock requires the specifying the mode of the lock and the either read of write access. So when a process wishes only to read the shared data, so the data is the information. For example, we take the one example: student name, student hall ticket number, student marks. So this is the data. So what is the database? Database is the collection of organized related data. So it is the requests the readers writer lock and in reader mode. So a process wishing to modify the shared data. So shared means the client and server is there. In this server connection with the number of clients, so share the data information to one system to the number of systems, request the lock in the write mode and the multiple processes and the permitted to the concurrency acquire a reader writer lock in the read mode. So but only one the process may the require acquire and the lack for the writing as the exclusive access is the required for writers. So here one diagram is there. Uh, in this diagram, the reader writer the problem. So the reader 1 and the reader 2, reader 3. So writer 1, writer 2, writer 3. So file in this file the access with the reader 1 and the writer 1. So reader 2 access with the file reader writer 2 and the reader 3 file access with the reader 3. So this is the reader and writer problem. And the next one, third one, the dining philosopher's problem. So the dining philosopher's problem involves the allocation of the limited and the resources to a group of the processes in the deadlock and the free and the starvation of free manner. So there are five philosophers sitting around a table. So in this five members philosophers sitting around of a table in which there are the five uh, chopsticks and the forks and kept beside them and a bowl of the rice in the center. So when the philosophers want to and eat, he uses two and the chopsticks on from the either left hand, one from the either right. So when a philosopher wants to think and he keeps down both and the chopsticks of the dining original place. So the dining philosopher's problem is considered a classic and a synchronization problem, and neither because of its the practical and the importance and nor because the computer scientists dislike. So philosophers, but the because it is the example of the large class of the concurrency control the problems. So it is a the simple representation of the need a allocate and the several resources among several processes in the deadlock and the free and starvations free manner. So and the next one, the one simple solution is the present each and the chopstick with a the semaphore and the philosophers and the tires to grab a and the chopstick by the existing of a weight and the operation on that the semaphore C and the releases are the chopsticks executing of the single and the operation on the appropriate and the semaphores. Several the possible of the read and remedies to and the deadlock problems are the replaced by. So in this allowed the more and the most four and the philosophers to be and sitting and at a table. So and the next the allow for the philosophers to pick up their and the chopsticks only if the both chopsticks are available, and the use as the asymptotic solutions to the that is and the odd numbers, and the philosophers pick up the first her left hand philosophers and then her, and the right chopsticks, and the when as even, and the number of the philosophers pick up her right chopsticks and then her left chopsticks. So this is the solutions of the three types of problems. In the operating system, we the inter-process communication. So, and the introduction to concurrency, the classical problems of concurrency and the critical reasons, the monitor. So, the inter-process communication, the communication in the client server systems. So, briefly explained explained to these topics. So, introduction to concurrency. Already we explained by previous classes, and inter-process communications IPC, the mechanism for the process to and the communicate and to synchronize their actions. So and the message system process, they communicate with each other and without resorting to and the shared variables, and we have at least two uh, primitives, send and receive. So this and the destination message or the send message, and the receive source and the message to receive, and the message size is the fixed or the variables. In this, the basic message passing of the primitives, and sending process and the receiving process. Sending process is the message passing module and the message passing module. So this is the basic and the message passing primitive. So message format consists of the header and the body of message. In Unix on ID, and only the message type control in info, and wants to do if run out of the buffer space. The sequence number of the priority in this queuing of the displaying of the usually FIFO first in first out, the but can be included priorities. So FIFO is useful for the execution of the program. The program is a set of instructions. So one program execution is the completed, ready for the second program. So executed the second program, the second program execution completed, the program ready to and executed. So this is the header file, and the body is there. In this the message type and the destination ID, source ID, and the message length, and the control the information in this body, the message and the contents. So these are the FIFO is the but can be also include of the priorities, and the message and the pipes composed. So what is the message and pipes composed? Here the message queue and the send and the receive, here P1 and P2, and the fixed size messages, here write, read, and the pipe buffer, and the read and write in the any sizes P1 and the P2. So P1, P1, P2, P2. Here the message queue and the send by the receive. So send it is the fixed size of the message. One message completion of the sending message. The second message send to ready. So this is the queue, first in first out. The received by the P2. P1 is the send the information, and the P2 is the received the information. Here the P1 is the write the pipe buffer, and the P2 is the received the buffer information. So read and write in the any sizes. It is not for the prepared by the some size, it is the any size it received by the P2, and the P1 is the write and read. The difference between write the information and read the information. So P1 is the send and the P2 is the received. This is the message and the pipes compared. And next, the messages passing. Message passing is the general method used for the IPC for the processes is the inside the same computer, and for the processes in the networked and the distributed system. In the both cases, the processes may not be the blocked while the message or the attempting to receive a message. So this is the message passing. In the message and the passing is in general method used for IPC for the processes inside the same computer. So the process is the network. What is the network? The network is the already we discussed and see the some information of diagrams. In this diagrams and the client server information, the server is the send the information and the receive the information by the clients. The clients also send the information and the receive the information. So this type of information is pass in the for the process inside the same computer for the processes in a networked and the distributed system. In the both cases, the process may or not be blocked while the message attempting to receive the message. And the next one is the synchronization message of the passing. So, and the message passing may be the blocking or the non-blocking. The blocking is the considered the synchronization, and the blocking sent has the sender block and until the message is received. The blocking receive has the receive the block until the message is available. So non blocking is the considered the asynchronization, and the non-blocking send has the sender send the message and the continue. Here the non-blocking receive has to and the receiver is the valid the message null. So null is the zero value, that is called null. So this is the synchronization message passing. So blocking and the non-blocking considered the asynchronization, and the blocking considered the synchronization. Message passing may be blocking or non-blocking. The two types are there, that is the blocking and the non-blocking. This is the synchronization and the considered the asynchronization. So just we discussed what is the synchronization, the definition of synchronization. Previous class already we discussed synchronization. Many systems provide the hardware support the critical section code. The critical section problem could be solved by the easily in a single process, and the environment we could and the dissolve and the interrupts to the while a shared variable or the resource is being modified. So in this manner we could be sure that the current sequences of and the instructions would be allowed to execute in a order without and the preemption. The unfortunately this solution is not and the feasible in a multiple processor environment. And the synchronization is so this is the synchronization information. It is the hardware to relation. Hardware is the physical component of computers. The devices are there, that is called hardware. The synchronization is the message passing. For the sender, it is the more and the natural not to be and the blocked after the issuing of the send. So can be send the several messages to multiple and the destinations, and the but sender and the usually accept the acknowledgement of the messages and the receive in case of receiver fails. So for the receiver, it is the more natural to be blocked after the and the issuing of the receive. So the receiver and the usually needs the information before the processing, and but could be the blocked and the identifyly if the sender the process fails and the before send. The synchronization is the message passing. Hence, the other and the possibilities are the sometimes they offered the example of the blocking send, blocking receive. So both are the blocked and until the message is received. So occurs when the communication link is the unbuffered, no message and the queue, and the providing the synchronization of the synchronization message passing. Hence the possibilities are the sometimes the example the blocking send and the blocking receive. So send the information and the receive the information, blocking send and blocking receive, and the both are the blocked until the message is received. Occurs when the communication and the link is the unbuffered no message queue, and the provides and the tight synchronizations. Here synchronization is the message passing. So there are the really three combinations there that the make the and the sense. So already previous we discussed the blocking send and the blocking receive, and the non-blocking and the non-blocking receive. So blocking send and blocking receive, and the non-blocking send and non-blocking receive. So non-blocking send and the blocking receive. Most popular example. So server process that the provides services, uh, and the resources of the other process, it will be need the expected information before processing. So what is the server? The server is the process that the provides the services. So means the client, think clients is the 10 systems are there and the one server is there. The server is the do and send the provided by the different types of services, and the benefit get to the clients, number of clients received the information, and the information is useful to the users, and modify the information and send to the server side, and it is the online applications, and the different types of database used for the customers, and the modified by the user who is the software employees, that is the used by the personal computers, and the office purpose, and the prepared by the project work. So what is the project work? In this project work available for the 7 steps, and this is called SDLC, system development life cycle. So in this life cycle 7 steps are there. So identification the problem, identification the project, and the it is the physical appearance, and there is number of types of the we used for the SDLC, system development life cycle, the project observation and testing the problem and the prepare the problem. So physical coding. So this type of projects are prepared by and sent by the information. This is the three. This is the blocking send and the blocking receive. The servers the provides the services. So that like the services means send the project works and the resources to the other processes, and it will need the expected information and the before processing. So this is the synchronization in the message passing, and the IPC requirements. So IPC requirements, if P and Q wish to communicate, they need to and establish the communication like and between them. So and exchange the messages via send and receive implementation of the communication like and the physical shared memory hardware bus. So IPC requirement and the requirements, the P and Q wish to communication they need to, and the establish communication like a link between them, and the exchange the messages via send the receive implementation of communications. So shared memory and shared bus. So shared memory means we send the project work is the shared by the server, the provided to a number of systems. It is the received by the users and prepared by the different types of projects. That is called the send memory. So what is the memory? Memory is the available in the primary and the secondary memory. So primary is the RAM and ROM. The secondary is the hard disk and the just like a compact disk. The memory is shared by. So we send the information to the number of systems. The clients are there. The clients information received. This is called hardware bus. What is the hardware bus? Hardware bus is the bus means we send the some information to the by cable, that is called a bus. So this type of bus is available for that. Just like we take the internet connection in our personal works, in personal work. So that is the telephone is the received by the voice record, and it is the bus is the changed by the automatically. So this is data type. So that is the uh, hardware bus. So hardware is the physical component of devices. So the bus is the one of the device too. They use it to the computers. So this is called IPC requirements, and the implementation of questions. So how are links to established, and they can like to associated with the more than two processes? How many links can be there be between, and every pair the communicating of the process, and what is the capacity of the link, and the in size of the message that like can be accommodate, and the fixed or the variable, and is a like the indirectional or the bidirectional, and the like capacity buffer. Here q of the messages and attach it to the link. So queue of the attachments, what is a queue? The queue message means we send the information to the one by one, that is the queue messages, and the link implemented in on the three ways. So what are they? And the zero capacity, zero messages, sender must be wait for, and the receive, and the reads, reads, and the voices, and the bounded capacity, finite length of n, and the messages, sender must be wait and the link full, and the unbounded capacity, infinite, and the sender never waits. The queue message attached to the link, though, so this is the implemented in the one of three ways. See, the zero capacity, bounded capacity, and the bounded capacity, unbounded capacity. So this is the zero messages sent must be wait for the receive, and this is called one message by queue type, just to send the number of messages, and the finite length of n messages. Next one, direct and the indirect communications. So what is the communication? The communication means we send the information to one system to another system. That is in between the network is there. In this network, send the data and the receive the data very easily. That is the direct and indirect communication. So direct communication, when a specific process identifier is used to for the source and the destinations, but it is might be impossible to specify the source achieved of the time example and the print server. So this is the direct communication, and when the specific process and the identifier is used to source and the destination. So indirect communication more convenient. So what is the indirect communication? So message or the sent to shared in the mailbox, so which the consists of the queue of messages. So indirect communication, so this is the number of mails are received by the user. The mails are arranged by the queue type, that is the message are sent to the shared. So the attachment used to the, just like we prepare the one message and send for the few people, number of people, that is the mailbox we attached for the number of messages. So that is the information will be sent to the number of people. So that is the message or the sent to the shared mailbox, which is the consists of the queue of messages. So this is the very advantages of the indirect communication. So that only for we, just like we take the one example in this MS Office available for the we send the information and we prepare the one letter and send the different types of people. This type of message available in the mail, this is called mail merge, means attached with the information and send the different types of people. Just like we take the one example, students please reopen the college, attend the college June 12th. The attendance miss, the scholarship problem will be get. So this type of messages we send the mail merge box, number of students send the attached with the only one message, and we send the different types of students. So this type of messages we send by the indirect communications and the move convenient, and the senders place and the messages in the mailbox and the receive and the pick them up. So direct communication, the processes must name and the each other explicitly and send P1 message and the send message to the process P and the receive Q and the message receive a message from Q. And the properties of communication link, the links are the established automatically. A link is the associated with the exactly one pair of the communicating the processes, and between each pair there is the exist of the exactly one link, and the link may be the unidirectional and but is the unusual by directional. So indirect communication, so what is the indirection of communication? uh, and the messages are the directed and the received from the mailbox also, and the referred to as ports. So how to receive the mail? The sender for the our personal mail, that is the inbox saved by the serial number of mails, and that is the queue type. We open the one by one, the time and the date appeared by, and we see in the mailbox. So, and each mailbox has a unique ID, and the processes can be communication only if they share a mailbox, and the properties of the communication like and the link established only if the processes share a common mailbox. So that is attached. So attachment with the one message to send the different types of people. So link established only the process, and a link may be associated with many processes, and each pair of the processes may be the several communication links. So link means the information attached by the link. The open the link, automatically the information will be opened. So like maybe the unidirected to bidirectional. And the next one, indirect communications. The operations in this, the indirectional communications, the operations, and create a new mailbox, and send and receive messages through mailbox, and destroy a mailbox. So this is a type of just we discussed to how to prepare the mail. So in this Gmail and the Yahoo Mail available for the free type of mails. So first we enter into the Gmail, and sign up available for two words. Is sign up, the form will be available. So fill by the user, and a username, user address, user phone number. So this type of information asking for the sign up application form. We fill the application form and send the information to Google. So automatically the username and password created, we create by the our in this application form, sign up application form, username password also prepared. So and after the received by the Google and send the information to message box. So thus that type we prepared by the our mail, our personal mail. So in this mail, just like we take the name and at the rate of gmail.com. So it in this the file name, the mail name. So send the information and the receive the information. Create a new mailbox and send and receive messages, and through mailbox, and the destroy a mailbox. So primitives and defined as send a message and send a message to mailbox a message, and a message is the message from the mailbox A. So indirect communication, mailbox is shared, P1, P2 and the P3 share mailbox A, and the P1 senders P2 and P3 receive, and the who gets the message, and the possible two solutions, the hello link to be the associated with A at the most two processes, and allow only one the processes at a time to execute A and the receive operations. The allow for the system to select the receivers, and the sender the notified to who the receivers was. This is the indirect communication. And next one, the mailboxes and the ports. In this, the mailbox can be the private to one sender and the receiver pairs, and the send mailbox be shared by the among the several and the senders and the receivers. Here see the one diagram is there. In this diagram, the sending process and the receiving process. Here the sending process is the, we take the name of the P1 and the mailbox is there, and the P1 PN. So he received by the process Q1 and QN. So number of messages we send the information, and it is the send process and the receive process. And the next one, the P1 and the PN, this is the port, and the PQ1. So the Q1 is the received and the P1 is the send. So this diagram explained by the sending process and the receiving process. The operating system may be then allow the use of the message type, and for selection the port is a mailbox is associated with the one receiver and the multiple senders, and the send for the client server applications, the receiver is the server. And the ownership of the ports and the mailbox, in this, a port is the usually owned and created by the receiving of the processes, and the port is the destroyed when the receiver and the terminates. uh, the operating system creates the mailbox on the behalf of a processes, and which becomes the owner, and the mailbox is the destroyed at the owners, and the request are the when the own. This is the terminology. The mutual execution and the message passing. Here, create a mailbox and the mutex and the shared by n processes, and send is the non-blocking, and the receive blocks when the mutex is empty, and the initialization send mutex go, and the first PI and the who executes, and the receive will, and the enter CS other will be the blocked until P1 it is the resends. Here VR and the this is the message request, and the receive mutex and the message CS, and send the mutex and the message RS forever. So here, and the bounded buffer message passing. Here the the processes the process is the place the items inside messages in the mailbox, and the may consume. So here, and the my consume acts as our buffer. The consumer can be the consume them, and when at least one message present, the mailbox is the filled by the initially with the k null, and the messages k is called buffer size. So the size of the uh, each production, and the grows with the each consumption. The solution can be supported the multiple and the processors consumers. So bounded buffer message passing. Here the VR PM messages and the repeated receive and the PMGSG. So forever the consumer were the CMSG, and the repeat and the receive forever. PC problems with the message passing. So these are the examples to the PC problem with the message passing, and the example of IPC systems, POSIX. Here POSIX shared the memory examples. The process first creates a shared memory, and the segment ID is the same get IPC, and the private size S, and the IRUSR. The process is the wanting access to the shared memory must attach to it is shared the memory character and the SHMAT. Now the process could and the write to the shared memory. When done, the processes can be and detach the shared memory from its the address space, and now the processes can be remove the shared memory segment. So examples of the IPC systems, the number of examples are there, and the much communication is the message based, and the every system call are the messages, and each task get the two mailboxes at creation, and the kernel and the notify, and the only three systems calls needed for the message transfer, and the message send, message receive, message the mailboxes and the needed for the communication create via. So examples of the IPC systems, Windows XP, and the message passing and the centric via LPC and the facility, and the only works between the processes on the same system. So uses of the ports like the mailboxes to establish and maintain the communication channels. The communication works as the follows. The client opens a handle to and subsystems the connection port objects, and the client sends a connection request. The server creates to private communication, and the ports and the returns the handle to one them to the client. So the client and the servers use the corresponding of the port handles to send the messages and the callbacks, and the listen for this is and the local provider of the calls in the Windows XP. This is the multi-user operating system Windows XP. This is the version of the XP 2000 Me and XP. So here the client and the connection request. So the connection port, the handle, and the server. So one server and the number of clients. The server is the handle and the connection ports, the connection to the request client, and the client communication port handle, and the handle the server communication port, and the share for the section of the object, that is a 256 bytes. So what is a byte? So one bit is called 0 or 1, one byte is called 8 bits, and the terabytes, megabytes, gigabytes, these are the storage information in the memory, that is called it is the bit bytes information, and the communication in the client servers systems. So there are the various mechanisms and the pipes, sockets, internet, and the remote, the procedure calls RPCS, and the remote method inconcatenation, and the RMI Java. So this is a, there are the various mechanisms. And next one is the pipes. The acts as the conduct of the allowing two processes to communication. Some issues, and in the communication, unidirectional or the bidirectional. In the case of two ways, the communication is it of, and the full and the duplex, and the must there exist a relationship, i.e. that is parent. So this is information of the synchronization hardware discussed in previous class, semaphores, and the classical inter-process communication problems, and the three types are there. How to the problem, the types of problems, three types: bounded buffer problem, and the reader writer problem, and the dining philosopher problem. So the solutions are there. So this we discussed by today's class, the classical inter-process communication. Okay, thank you, students.